Hi, it's Andy and Shell from Fairway Cruising and Travel. We've been to Lombok 3 times in the past 18 months. And as we've been going over there, we've been staying at different hotels or resorts just to get a feel of different types of accommodation on the island. This video was about 2 resorts down at Kuta Lombok, being the Pullman and the Novotel, and we've stayed in both. So hopefully, if you're considering going and visiting Kuta Lombok and you're looking at either of these resorts, they may just give you a bit of a snapshot and an idea of the resorts so that can help with you to determine which one might be more suitable for you. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow our channel because we've got lots more videos coming up on Lombok and our stays there and our visits also to Sengigi and the Gili Islands and also snorkeling the secret gillies as well as a couple of other day trips to the waterfalls, etc. So make sure to like and subscribe. Cheers. So we've arrived at the Pullman and let's go check it out. The first area we walk into is the reception, which is an open area, as you can see, and the staff greet us and give us a nice welcome drink. We look out across to the beach area and to the pool, and below us are where the main restaurant is. So that's where they'll hold buffet breakfast, lunches, and we'll have some buffet dinners. And also, as you look out to the pool area, you can see that kind of white building to the right hand side, and that's also another restaurant here at the Pullman, and that was seafood and it was quite delicious. So, anyway, let's go and explore the pool area and the beach area a bit more, and then we're going to go and check out our standard room. Standard twin room. We have pushed the beds together because they didn't have any doubles left. As you walk in the entry into the foyer, there is a cupboard that has an iron and an ironing board. There's some umbrellas provided here and a torch. There's a long mirror, and then you come into the wardrobe. So there's lots of hanging space here provided in the wardrobe. You also have a safe and some more cupboards. Coming across, there is a cupboard that has a fridge, and you'll be provided with a kettle, some water, tea and coffee facilities. It is only like a jug, so there's not like a coffee pod machine or anything like that. Some glasses up here should you want to have a wine, and some more glasses here just for other types of drinks. Going into here, this is where the bathroom is, so toilet here, and followed into the shower. And there is a clothesline going across where you can hang your clothes should they get wet. couple of towel racks here. We are given robes as well, which is nice. Sorry about our mess. We have been out swimming about today. I provided toothbrushes, refresh, so some vanity kits, shaver, a couple of items like that. There is body lotion and hand wash. Oh, that was the other thing. Back into the shower, I will point out, which is good, that you do get shower gel, shampoo and conditioner supplied. So it's not a mix, which sometimes can happen. There is a bathtub here. And then the facilities are a table where you have your telephone, etc. There are USB power plugs into the wall that you can use. As I said, I mentioned there was robes provided. This is how we've pushed the bed together to make like a double bed for ourselves. Telly. There's a table and chairs. And the other chair I've just moved outside here because we like to sit out on our little balcony. So there's actually only one chair provided, so you just move one out. And then you have another chair here with a lamp. And then some controls here, so you can see that there's power points, etc. There's a clock. And there's another type of radio, I think. A speaker. Sorry, a speaker. Over here near the table, you'll find that there's a HDMI port and some USB ports here, and there's also a power plug. And that's our room. Air conditioning. Check out the Novotel at Kuta Lombok, and this is the second of the two main resorts that are down here at Kuta Lombok, the other being Pullman, which you've already seen. And these two resorts are basically virtually next door to each other. So they're very close to the Mandalika circuit. So as you walk through, you're going to see that it does have very much of that Indonesian Balinese feel and setup. And so they do have hotel rooms and villas as well. Some have pools and others have a shared pool. As you walk through, you'll come up to an area that has a restaurant and a bar, and you walk through that and then you'll see the beach and the activities area, which is really quite large, and it has a very much of a family-friendly vibe in terms of those, because they have a lot of different activities scheduled throughout the day. We walked past the board, you would have seen it as we're coming in. It was on the left-hand side, just, noting some of the activities that they were going to run with. Now, there really is only one restaurant that we found here, and that was open, and that had buffet breakfast and also had, lunches and dinners and kind of. There's also a spa at the resort, but we didn't try that out this time. So anyway, let's go and check out some of the rest of the amenities. So if you are looking to travel to Lombok, we have heaps more videos coming of Sangigi, the Gili Islands, including the secret gillies. We snorkeled there just recently, going to the waterfalls. So make sure to like and subscribe and follow us. Cheers.